Hey, what's up, everybody? Uh, Back here tonight with two tutorials tonight. One is for 11-ounce mug, and the other is going to be sublimation on glitter vinyl. So I'm going to cut right to the chase. This is all done in Silhouette Studio. I'm not familiar with Cricut Design Space. I'm sure there's a few people in the group that are familiar with it. So if you want to ask them, go ahead and post your question and ask them about it. I use Silhouette Studio Business Edition. I've used it for about 7 years now, and I really like it. It's got a lot of tools, detailed tools, and a lot of help. I mean, if you call customer service and ask them something, they're very knowledgeable about it. I've called Silhouette America a few times, and they know what they're talking about. Anyway, let me go ahead and get into this before it gets too late. I want to get both tutorials in hopefully before 7. I'll get them uploaded anyway before 7 o'clock. So I want to make in Silhouette Studio, you want to make your, you don't have to use large media to make a mug. I have mine set at 8.5 by 11. Of course, I'm using the ET 2720, which I love. Go ahead and go to File and Merge. Select a high definition image, 300 DPI at least. I've already chosen one here of Kobe Bryant and Gigi. My daughter is in love with Kobe and Gigi ever since they passed. Well, before their passing anyway, but more so after they passed. So I'm going to make a mug for her. You want to set your dimensions at 3.7 inches by 8.6 inches. And I've already done that here. And since this is I'm going to zoom in here so you can see it. Since this is a light image, I put a black background or a black line around it, and you can do that by going up to top left and just select your basically the box outline, what color you want it to be. So you can do red, you can do any color, but I chose black because it'll stand out on the mug. And don't forget to mirror it. You want to do horizontal and go up to object and rotate. You want to rotate counterclockwise 90 degrees, or doesn't matter, clockwise, counterclockwise, whatever. So I'll do that counterclockwise and zoom out. Okay, and so center the paper and go to print, and I want to select my 2720. I've already got my settings preset in there. Go to preferences just to let you see what they are. I've got them saved right here, the presets. Go over to 2720, and I've got my presentation paper mat, 8.5 by 11 up here. Quality, I want it on high though. I'm not sure how that changed. Let me go to see if everything else is correct. RGB, WRGB 1.8, okay, that's correct. Now because I changed that to high, quality from standard to high, I have to save this again. So I'm going to go into add or remove presets, select 2720. The 2720 is up here, and then hit save. Do you want to overwrite the previous setting? Yes, okay, close. And that'll automatically be set once I go in and do this again. Hit apply and then print, and we'll start printing from my 2720. And 2720 is printing now. As you can see, there's my Cameo 2. I've had it forever. thing since Cameo's inception. It's a great machine. I want to get Bluetooth, but when I graduate from Cameo 2, maybe. Okay, so it's printing out now. My next tutorial is going to be how to sub Mug Glitter HTV. I've had dozens and dozens of requests to get a tutorial on that. Okay, so once this is done printing, I'm going to get it cut out to the dimensions it needs to be, 3.7 by 8.6, and I'll get back to you guys.